don't know if you could tell there at the end of that time lapse, I popped the distributor cap off of it. It looks like they just done a recent tune-up on this thing. I hope that doesn't mean they tuned it up and it still wasn't running good. But look at that, that all looks really new and clean in there. I'm really shocked. So hey, we got new oil. We got relatively new plugs. Yeah. I got my 2 Reinvenches on there. Let's see, just for kicks and giggles. Well, that thing ain't gonna turn with that on there, so I guess I'll pull them plugs out, pour the PB Blaster to it, and the Marvels right there to it, and we'll let it soak. And while we're doing that, I'll clean the rest of it up to make sure all this stuff is good on it, and then we'll try again.